County in southeast Pennsylvania, Camden County in southern New Jersey. This includes the cities of Gloucester City, Camden, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending across extreme southeastern Pennsylvania and northern Delaware, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Chester around 5:25 p.m., Fulcroft, Swedesboro, and Beckett around 5:30 p.m., South Philadelphia, Philadelphia International Airport, Paulsboro, and Gibbstown around 5:35 p.m., West Deptford and Ben Franklin Bridge around 5:40 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Camden, and Gloucester, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Delaware, and Philadelphia. This is NOAA Weather Radio.